Hello, my name is Muhammad Amirul bin Sulaiman. I'm from BFM 6 semester 2. So today I would like to present the impact of IoT and big data to airline operations towards the data and database. So the first impact that will be had been listed the cost reduction. So the implementation of IoT and big data into the airline sector would help in decrease in the rate of baggage losses. By utilizing real-time baggage tracking, data collected allows to prevent missing, destroyed, delay, or halted bags. Based on findings from data, systems estimate the optimal amount of fuel needed for a flight. With this data, airlines are able to save operation costs. The impact of the IoT and big data towards the database is that all the data that are stored in the cloud storage can be kept for a long period and safely. The cloud storage is used by most airlines to store all the passengers' information and flight details for their record purpose. When airline operations are incorporated with IoT and big data technology, company will save costs and reduce redundant works while all the data will be kept by the IoT system safely. Furthermore, with IoT and big data, the airline no longer have to record passengers or flight information manually. So the next impact we go through is digital transformation. So emerging technologies are bringing the aviation industry to new heights by helping them to meet the needs of the customer in every possible way by providing real-time performance, dashboards, and predictive maintenance. The big data and IoT technology that are used by airline is the reason that the company aims for a fully digital transformation. Full digital transformation of a certain company is caused by emergence of big data and IoT. Tokyo International Airport is an example. So we take here as an example. The digital transformation can also be done in the terms of upgrading system from manual to automated. As example, currently in our airport here, Kuala Lumpur, they are now using the automated control gates, which is called e-gates. So the data that has been collected securely will be stored in database or cloud storage with full of privacy and secure. And then the third impact is by collecting safer flight. By collecting flight accident details, regulators will improve the protection in the aviation industry. The data safety software has recently been introduced by the EASA, which gathers and analyzes the flight telemetry data, air traffic control information, and weather forecast to detect risk. The software will allow regulators to recognize safety threats. Safer flight concept only happen when the airline operation applied a good system. The impact on this big data is having a real-time and synchronized system. An airline has to make sure all the data being collected are relevant and kept in the cloud storage in the system. This data will then be analyzed for predictive maintenance works and to ensure safety of flight operation. And the last impact for the big data is towards the database is the increase in airline operating costs. There are many different data that will be collected in airline operations with the use of big data and IoT. So as example here, the data that usually used to be collected by most of the airline is a passenger information, baggage information, fleet data, and also company details. Airline operations will face huge impact where they require more expenses to manage the data. In every year, there are few millions of passengers using the airport or airline. So the data needed to be stored will be super huge and heavy. Seems the amount of the passenger in the airport is getting higher, and then it can only be supported with a big cloud storage. Airline revenue will be impacted where the cost of managing this data and database is higher. Since the size of data collected in airline is bigger and need to manage carefully, data management is crucial. Therefore, apart from positive impacts the big data and IoT brings, It also will cause negative impact such as increase in the operational cost. So to perform in a good vulnerable of airport, the airport may face the increase in operational costs, so they may have some revenue loss in terms to create a very good data to store their database. So thank you from me.